Today we wanted to make public the announcement that the Irving Public Library received 2 Bookshelf Awards from the National Endowment for the Humanities and the American Library Association. They're calling the Bookshelf Award Building Bridges, Muslim Journeys. Central and West received 25 copies of specific titles that describe, explore Muslim journeys from around the world.
And it's going to enhance the understanding of all people, not only Muslims, but the diversity of the citizens of the city of Irving. And it will bring, hopefully, the best of all of us.
And building something like tolerance is not nearly enough, but actually building understanding.
From this grant, we hope to open up some dialogue, some conversations in the community.
I applaud the City of Irving for recognizing the richness of the cultural diversity, and hopefully we will all learn to appreciate and be enriched by everyone's culture and contributions.
We hope that the community, people, residents of Irving, will realize that we're not all that different. We're very much alike in many ways.
I've been in Irving since 1986. So I've been living this city more than I left in any other place, in any other country in the world. So this is my city, and I really appreciate the city of Irving.